Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can assign tags to your tasks, chores and habits in the Any.do mobile application. So let us begin. Alright guys, so here in the Any.do application, for example on your Android, what you want to do is navigate to all tasks at the bottom, or alternatively you may go with one of your category lists here like fitness or personal. Let me go with all tasks at the bottom. This is going to give us an overview of all tasks, chores and habits in the given account. So let me go with a task from today, like this one here, wake up early, just for the sake of this tutorial. Tap into it to start editing it. So here guys, you will see that field add tags. If you'd like to add tags to it, tap into it, and after that start assigning tags like, for example, priority. As you can see guys, most of these tags are for example, can be used only with a specific membership level, which I don't have currently access to, so I will go with the priority tag here. Tap into save in the bottom right corner to save your changes, and that's basically it. After that, the given tag will be assigned to your task, as you can see, and you can add more tags anytime by tapping into that plus button, or remove the given tag by tapping into that X button next to it. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.